Hey, welcome back to Off Talk Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host. Today, in this episode, I'm going to be cutting down these fields, and we're making a food plot up in my dad's field. So stay with us. But before I go, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Please share us out, make a comment, and hit that notifications button if you like the content that I'm putting out. Thank you, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, everybody, well, I cut the whole field. That's about an acre field. So that was all like chest high, and I cut it all down. So we're gonna let that die off, and we're gonna come back and rototill it in. Now, if you look right here, I left this little patch going up the whole side of the field. Now that is just for screening, because right here is where we walk up at. And I wanna block this food plot from where we come up into the field at, and then we go straight up the hill there, right where that opening is. Right there is an opening. That's where we go in. So now I'm going up to rototill my dad's field, and then we're gonna plant today. So stay with us. All right, everybody, so this is the field that I'm gonna be tilling up this evening, or today. And you can see there's a bunch of apple trees. There's a nice pear tree right there. But I'm gonna till all this up today, and then we're gonna plant it. My dad limed it yesterday, and I'm gonna till it today, till it all in. And we're gonna leave this section go where all these trees are. There's some clover coming in right there. So we're gonna leave that be. But we're gonna till up this side over here. So stay with us. I'll show you the results whenever I'm done. Alright, so got the first pass of my dad's food plot so far. I still got to do a couple more areas in there, but it's warm out, and the tractor gets very, very hot. So I'm just giving it a break for a couple minutes, and then I'll finish off the first pass of the rototilling. I usually go in low gear, and then I'll go in medium gear, and then I'll go in high gear. So I'll make 3 passes on this right here, and then we will plant today. We were supposed to get some rain today. That's the reason why I was doing this. But it don't look like rain, but we're still gonna get it all tilled up. Like I said, it was limed and fertilized already. So I'm just mixing it all in, and then we're gonna put the seed down. I'm gonna be planting in this. I'm gonna be planting dwarf Essex rape, daikon radishes, purple top turnips, and I'm going to throw some winter wheat in there also, so that after the season the wheat will still be there. And then next year, instead of rototilling it, we're going to come in and disc everything up, and then plant again next year. But we're a little bit late this year. It's September, we're like middle of September right now, so we just want to get this planted right now, because we have to get it in before the first frost. You know, we want to grow in for a couple weeks before the first frost hits. So stay with us. All right, well, I got the first pass done. Looks pretty good. Got the beautiful pear tree here, but it didn't produce any pears this year. I guess we need some more bees. But yeah, I'm just walking around now, and I'm looking for big rocks and things like that. So then once I do this and clear all these rocks out, there's a couple big rocks right here. I will throw these off to the side over in the woods there, and I'll go down and I'll squirt out the tractor, the radiator and everything, and then I'll come back up. I'll let it cool down a little bit, because it does tend to get a little hot when you're in low gear tilling. So I'll go down, clean it up, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so I finished my first pass in low gear, but I just wanted to emphasize, you want to keep your Kubota, the screen and the air filter and everything clean. So after I make my first run, I always come down, squirt all, clean the radiator and everything, because you get a lot of grass and things that's in the radiator. So you want to keep it running cool. You don't want it to overheat. So I just wanted to give you that's just a little tip. I'll do that when I run. You know, the first pass is in low gear, and then I come down and clean the radiator and everything and squirt it off, and then I let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll go back up now and I will hit it again on medium to break it up, and then I will do it again, and then I will go through it on high, and that'll get everything to where I need it to be. So all right, well, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I went my second pass on the food plot here, so it's looking really good. I'm going to go back through, pull out some more rocks, and then I'm going to make a third pass, and then we're going to start planting. Alright, so we're getting, what is this, winter wheat, sunburst wheat.
Yep.
We got radishes.
Turnips and rape.
Turnips and rape, guys. So we're going to plant this. It's supposed to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. So we want to get this in the ground, and we want to get it limed. So stay with us. All right, so I put my third pass on high, and then I planted wheat. I planted radishes, purple top turnips, and dwarf Essex rape. So we're all good now. We just need it to rain. We're good to go. Now I'm going to head down to the other field and start tilling that. All right, so we got another field here that we plowed up. Then there's another one down over the hill here. But I got about 50 pounds of rye grain that we're going to put in here and down on the other side. And there's some in the spreader now. So I'm going to go ahead and spread that out here. And we'll see you in a bit. All right, well, I got everything done that I wanted to get done today. We got that middle field, the main food plot. I got it tilled for the first time. We're still gonna have to do that again. But if you like this content, please hit that subscribe button. Please make a comment, hit that like, and share us out. We really do appreciate that. And we will see ya. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please hit that Talk logo. And thank you for your support.